Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your home and you are staying at your home. Yes students? Okay, now welcome in class first. Now here I am again with a new video of GK, that means general knowledge. I hope you liked my earlier video of animals. Did you all learn? Yes. Okay. Now today I am having a new topic, and our topic is our community helpers. Our community helpers. Students, you know what is the meaning of community helpers? Community helpers means that uh, the community helpers means that those who help us in our daily life, like for example doctor, policeman, fireman, teacher. They help us in our daily life now. If we are facing any problem, so we are supposed to call this type of person. They are called our helpers. Okay, now we will learn it. We will learn the definition of community helpers. Community helpers are people who live and work in communities. Some examples are doctor, teacher, policeman, fireman, etc. Community helpers are people who live and work in communities. कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स क्या होते हैं? कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स वो होते हैं जो हमारी कम्युनिटीज़ में रह के हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. सी सपोज सम एग्जांपल्स आई हैव गिवन डॉक्टर, टीचर, policeman, fireman, etc. Okay students, now tell me, if we are sick, if we are ill, then we are supposed to go where we are going? If we are sick, then we have to go to the doctor. Yes students. So these are the examples of our helpers. Okay, now one more time I'm reading the definition. Community helpers are people who live and work in communities. Some examples are doctor, teacher, policeman, fireman, etc. Okay students? Okay, now next is, students, can you see the picture of community helpers? See, they all are the community helpers. Okay, now we will learn one by one. Okay, and we will learn some points of our helpers. Okay, our first helper is, can you see the picture? Yes, doctor is very important for our life. Yes students? Yes. Okay, first point is, a doctor is considered to be the God. Students, can you see what is the meaning of this line? A doctor is considered to be the God means डॉक्टर हमारे लिए भगवान का रूप होते हैं. यस, वी कॉल दैट ना, दैट डॉक्टर भगवान का रूप होते हैं. हम लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना. इफ़ वी आर सिक, इफ़ वी आर इल, इफ़ वी आर हैविंग सो मैनी diseases, then we are supposed to go where? We are supposed to go to the doctor only na, and doctor treats a disease. Doctor give medicines to us. Yes. Okay, a doctor is dedicated person. Doctor is dedicated towards their patients. Yes. Okay, a doctor is a person who treats everyone equally. Doctor treats every patient equally. They just don't look lower caste, or our lower caste people has came, or upper caste people has came. They just don't look that type of. They are not having that type of nature. They just treat everyone equally. They give medicines everyone equally. Okay, so that patient should be safe. They saves life of the patients by their service. They just give their service best so that the patient should be recover properly. Yes, and their service are very good, and they just they just do everything for saving the life of their patients. Okay, students. Okay, now one more time I'll read all the points. A doctor is considered to be the god. A doctor is dedicated person. A doctor is a person who treats everyone equally. They saves life of the patients by their service. Okay, students. Now you have learned the points of doctor. Okay. Now our next helper is teacher. Yes. I know so many students you're having their favorite teacher. You all having your favorite teachers now? Yes. Okay. Now we will learn some points about a teacher. Full form of teacher is talented, educated, adorable, charming, helpful, encouraging and responsible. See students, there is a full form of teacher. Teacher is talented, teacher is educated, teacher is adorable, teacher is charming, teacher is helpful. They just give help to us na, encouraging and responsible. Teacher is very responsible towards their students. Okay, now next point is teachers are called a second parent. Students, your teachers are your second parents. Your first parents is your home parents, your house parents, and your second parents are at your school, that is your teacher. Yes students, because your teacher treats you like their students only. Yes. Okay, they make their students successful in life. Teacher make their students successful. They just give all the knowledge, uh, all the studies they are doing. They just want that their students should be successful in their life. What they want, they just get the success. A teacher is a person who guides students in gaining the knowledge and values in society. Who is the teacher? Teacher is a person, guides you, teacher guides the students for giving the knowledge, and they just give the values to the students so that they live in a good manner in a society, and that they just give the values that how we should respect to our elders, to others, and how we have to be behave in our life. Okay students, they just give all the knowledge to us, to the students. Okay, now I'm reading again. Full form of teacher is talented, educated, adorable, charming, helpful, encouraging and responsible. Teachers are called our second parents. They make their students successful in life. A teacher is a person who guides students in gaining the knowledge and values in society. Okay, students? Okay, now our next helper is, yes, policeman. Who want to be many who want to be become policemen in their life? Yes, I know so many students want to become policeman. Yes. Okay. Policeman always keeps a gun with himself. Students, you know that very well now, that policeman always keeps a gun with himself now. Yes, policeman always keeps a gun with himself. He has the duty to catch thieves. Policeman has the duty to catch thieves, to catch bad people. He stops crime. Policeman stops crime. They just catch all the bad people, catch all the thieves who are doing bad things all over the world. They catch all of them and put them in the jail. Yes, students? Yes. Okay, next point is he always wears his clean uniform on duty. Policemen always wear the clean uniform when they go to their duty. They are supposed to wear clean uniform. Students, you know that now policeman is policeman duty is very respectful duty. Yes, and everyone's scared with the policeman now, and especially who does a wrong thing in their life, they just scared with their policeman. Students, you know that the nowadays which virus is spreading? Yes, coronavirus. And for that virus, our policemen and our doctors are doing very hard job now. Policeman is everywhere. Police, you have seen that's why only we, because of the policeman, we are safe till now. That's why we are staying at a home, and police are not allowing us to go out from our house. Yes, because they just want that we should be safe. Yes, students, and they are securing their life. Yes, students. Okay, I'm repeating. Policeman always keeps a gun with himself. He has the duty to catch thieves. He stops crime. He always wears his clean uniform on duty. Now next is fireman. Next is fireman. Firemen are people whose job is to put out fires and save people from fires. Who is the fireman? Fireman saves us from fire. Yes, if somewhere fire is there na, we are supposed to call the fireman, and they comes with their tank of water, and there is very a big tank which they bring, and they just bring one pipe with themselves, and with that pipe only they just finish all the fires. Firemen wear heavy clothing to protect them from the heat. Firemen are supposed to wear heavy clothing, means they are wearing heavy clothes when, because if when they are just putting out the fire, he doesn't touch their body, because first if they will save, then only they will save us also. Yes na? Yes, students. So that's why they are supposed to wear heavy clothes, so that the fire doesn't touch their body. Okay, they teach us how to be safe around fire. They Firemen also teach us that how we have to be safe from fire. If somewhere fire is there, what we have to do? We are uh, supposed to throw the water towards the fire, and they give some tips also how we have to be safe from a fire. Okay, I'm reading again. Firemen are people whose job is to put out fires and save people from fires. Firemen wear heavy clothing to protect them from the heat. They teach us how to be safe around fire. Yes, now next is postman. The postman is a government servant. Postman is servant of whom? It is a servant of government. He wears khaki dress and hat. You know what is the color of postman? What is the color of dress of postman? Yes, the postman wears khaki color of dress, and they are wearing one hat with themselves. Next, he delivers letters, money orders, and parcels to us. What is the duty of postman? Postman comes to our homes, and they are giving letters, money orders, or any parcels which has came from out of the city or another city. He always carries a bag with him. Postman always carries a red color bag. Yes, and postman always carries a red color bag, and on that bag only there are so many letters and parcels are there. which they have to deliver at the people's home. Okay. The postman is a government servant. He wears khaki dress and hat. He delivers letters, money orders and parcels to us. He always carries a bag with him. Okay. Now our next helper is sweeper. Yes. A sweeper is a person who cleans all the places by using a broom. Who is the sweeper? You have seen the sweeper. Can you see the picture? Yes, na? Who you know very well who is the sweeper? Sweeper cleans all the places. All the places means all the roads, our society, where we are living, and sweeper cleans by which? Sweeper cleans by their broom. Broom means jhadu. Sweeper bring the broom and they just with that broom they clean all the places or all the societies. Sweeper does a very hard job of sweeping all the litter. Sweeper are doing very hard job because they are sweeping all the garbage, all the very bad dirt. They are sweeping the of ours what we are just put we dirt we just put outside, and they just come and take all the garbage to their they just bring their vehicle or dustbin. They just bring na off-road dustbin, and they put in on all the garbage, they put in that dustbin only, and they just sweep all the place. There are sweepers in school also. Students, have you seen in your school? In your school also sweepers are there na? They just clean your schools, clean their toilets. Yes? Yeah, okay. A sweeper is a person who cleans all the places by using a broom. Sweeper does a very hard job of sweeping all the litter. There are sweepers in school also. Okay, now our next helper is tailor. Next helper is tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. Tailor what do? Tailor does. Tailor stitches our clothes. Stitches means tailor कपड़े सिलता है. Tailors create beautiful and attractive designs. If we give them any unstitched cloth for stitching, they just give the ideas of creating beautiful designs. They just tell us and we tell them, okay, we tell them to put the beautiful designs on their dress, in their dress. They require some tools like needle, some thread reels, etc. What the tailor requires? Tailor requires one silai machine, which we do the which in on which silai machine they do that silai. One silai machine, one needle, and some color of thread reels. The tailor is a useful member of society. Tailor is a very useful member of society. If we are bringing some unstitched cloth from the market, so where we are supposed to? We are supposed to go the tailor only for stitching our cloth. Yes, students. Okay, so tailor is very useful member of our society. Okay, I'm reading again. Tailor stitches our clothes. Tailor create beautiful and attractive designs. They require some tools like needle, thread reels, etc. The tailor is a useful member of society. Now next is chef. Next helper is chef. Chef is a person who cooks food for people. Who is the chef? Chef is a person who cooks food for the people. Chef हम सबके लिए खाना बनाते हैं. They usually found in hotels and restaurants. Many of students go the hotels and restaurants for eating the food now. Yes, on that hotels and restaurants, this type of chefs are there who prepare very good food for the people, so that the people should like their food and come again and again to their hotel or restaurant. It takes too much of hard work to be chef. Chef are doing very hard work. They whole day they just stand in the kitchen only, and they make different varieties of food what the people like, and they just take orders and they make different varieties of food, and they are supposed to make very good food, good in taste also. Yes, okay. It also take too much of dedication to be chef. Chef are very dedicated towards their work. They just doing very hard work. Okay, I'm reading again. Chef is a person who cooks food for people. They usually found in hotels and restaurants. It takes too much of hard work to be chef. It also takes too much of dedication to be chef. Okay, students, now you have read so many points of so many helpers. There are many more helpers are all there, but some of examples I have given you, and I have explained you some points also. Okay, students, now you have to learn these points. Okay, now you have now I think you have understood what are our community helpers, how they are helping us in our daily life, and we should respect their work. We should respect our helpers because they are doing very hard job for us. Okay, and they are some of them saving our life. Okay na? Okay, now we will repeat which helper we have learned. Okay, doctor, teacher, policeman, fireman, postman, tailor, sweeper, chef. Okay, about that only we have learned now. Okay, now you all learn at your home. Okay, students, now thank you. Now stay safe, stay healthy.